guys, welcome back to StyleMeUpWithSakshi. I hope you guys are doing really well. I hope you're doing as great as me because I'm doing absolutely fantastic because I'm keeping up with my upload schedule har Monday or Friday ko. It becomes difficult guys, but I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying my content. मैं जो भी produce कर रही हूँ कभी कभार थोड़ी बहुत criticism मिल जाती है, but most of you guys really enjoy my content, which I'm so grateful for. In today's video, we're going to be sharing everything that I essentially got for free-ish. Not really. I mean, one of the pros of what I do, becoming a fashion blogger or influencer or YouTuber, is that a lot of brands do take interest in sending you stuff so that aap review kar sako. So a lot of brands did send me stuff in these, past few months, and I'm going to show everything to you. But before that, we recently touched 50,000 subscribers, which I'm so grateful for. So there is a giveaway for one lucky winner. The giveaway is really cool, so stay watching this video because I'm going to be telling you all about the giveaway in this video. Let's start with the haul. Starting off with the first brand, it was Dress Lily. Now Dress Lily मुझे personally बहुत ही पसंद आई ये website because well curated. It was a good looking website for me. I don't know personally, मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है when I truly shop. I need the website to look good. I mean, this is one of the essentials for me. So first thing I got was this jacket. It's a really cool jacket. It has like this really nice like feather print on the elbow, and then it's like a comfortable jacket. I'm just sad because winters are ending and I don't want winters to end. Second thing that I got was this sweatshirt. Guys, I love sweatshirts. I love this color. It's like a really nice sweatshirt. The one great thing about this is the back. It has like a really nice, really cool crisscross back, which I absolutely love. I think I can definitely like sleep in it, go work out in it. The next thing that I got were these lights. Now ये जो आपको leaf, plastic की leaf दिख रही है, ये actually lights के आसपास ऐसे twirl around हो जाती है, and it looks really cute. I thought मैं अपने closet पे या फिर अपने clothing rack के ऊपर ऐसे twirl around free lights twirl around करके लगा सकती हूँ, and it look really cool. I mean, aesthetically pleasing. मुझे genuinely लग रहा है ये next चीज देखकर आप लोग सबसे पहले piss off हो जाओगे because साक्षी कितने coin necklaces आपको चाहिए. But I got another coin necklace from this website. It's cute, guys. Next thing that I got were these really cute coin loop earrings. I mean, obsession with coin, obsession with loop earrings combined together to give me a loop coin earring. I mean, okay guys, don't judge, okay? Oh, what a change. I literally just changed to show you the next product that I got was this sign. Now these came in individually like SMU, Style Me Up. It's a pretty cool sign, right? Okay, another change. Now you guys see this like frame in the backdrop of my videos. It says good vibes only. ये frame के साथ नहीं आया था. It just came like as जैसे प्लास्टिक की शीट थी उस पे गुड वाइब्स ओनली लिखा हुआ था, but looks pretty cute. Can you see the next thing that I got? This absolutely crazy, lovable, love neon sign that I got from Dress Lily. Quality is absolutely great. I can't wait to show you this officially in my office store. This is coming up shortly. Another change of scenery. The next thing that I got was this art, which did not come as framed, but मैंने इसको actually frame करवाया. बस इसका अंदर का art मैंने Dress Lily से लिया. It has like this really nice inspirational, motivational quote जो मैंने अपने office के बिल्कुल starting में लगाया ताकि हम जब भी enter करें, we enter with the right zone. Okay, the next thing that I got, I keep changing the locations. You guys must be confused. The next thing that I got was another frame. मैंने ये सारे frames actually अपने ऑफिस स्पेस में टांग दिए हैं. That's why मुझे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जंप करना पड़ रहा है. But this is like such an aesthetically pleasing frame जो कि फ्रेम के साथ नहीं आया था, बस अंदर का आर्ट आया था. Another thing that I forgot to show you were these cactus wall art. Okay guys, recently I reached 50,000 subscribers and I'm so grateful and thankful to every single person who's been supporting me, every single person in SMU fam who's been very supportive and loving towards this channel. I'm so grateful and thankful for every single one of you. So I thought, free gifts मुझे अकेले receive नहीं करने. I want to give some to you. So I reached out to the brand, all of the brands, and told them कि अगर आप मुझे कुछ दे रहे हो तो you have to give something to one lucky SMU family member. Now the rules for the giveaway is you just have to subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, It's just as StyleMeUpWithSakshi. Hit the like button, leave a nice comment, and that's about it. It's as simple as that. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. I have to show you everything that I got you and I got myself. So PAPELJAM is this amazing company who makes amazing calendars and notebooks and stuff like that. All cute stationery stuff. And I know you guys love stationery. So they sent me like 2 packages. One is a part of the giveaway, which is this one. And second is a yearly planner that they wanted me to keep. It is the cutest planner, oh my god, I've ever seen. PAPELJAM, I love you. That's all I have to say. I just freaking love you because this is going to be my jam. It's going to be on my desk like all the time. And I'm going to use it a whole lot. I'm going to be leaving their website in the description box below. I love supporting new businesses. Love supporting new businesses. So I think PAPELJAM, you guys are the next big thing in the market. The next product that was sent to me was this amazing handmade leather bag by STUDIOLOVE. I absolutely, not even kidding, love this bag. Firstly, I always carry my laptop everywhere I go. I think one of the biggest problems that YouTubers, bloggers generally have, or anybody in general, was that you have to carry so much stuff. If you have a laptop also, sometimes I have a camera, sometimes I have GoPro, sometimes I have a makeup bag. Everything needs to fit in one bag, and I feel like this is going to be my it bag that I'm going to use like all the time. It's so sturdy. I love the fact that it's handmade and the detailing is just so nice. I'm also going to leave their link in the description box below. Please check them out because they're absolutely amazing. Honestly, the best quality bag that I own. The next brand that we're going to talk about is IVLII. Now another like China based brand, maybe, you know, I'm not sure, like don't show me, but I feel like it's a China based brand. It's like Shein, जहाँ पे सारी चीजें, you know, मिल जाती हैं. Makeup brushes भी मिल जाएंगे, clothes भी मिल जाएंगे, shoes भी मिल जाएंगे, a lot of stuff. One bad thing about the website is it takes a lot of time to reach you. I don't know क्या problem थी, but ये package मैंने I think 2-3 महीने पहले order करा था और ये अब मेरे पास पहुंचा है and अभी तक मेरे पास सारा सामान नहीं पहुंचा है. I think I ordered a few more things on their website, but it hasn't reached me yet. But I've waited long enough. I need to show you everything that I got for you actually. So I got 2 makeup brushes sets. They're exactly similar, just 2 different colors. I thought you guys will really like the rose gold color, so I kept the rose gold color for you, and I took like this grayish. It's also a very nice like dusky pink color for me. Makeup brushes, they're very nice brushes. The quality is actually pretty amazing. I wasn't expecting the quality to be that great, but it's actually quite amazing. Another thing that I got for you was this snake print shirt. Now I see this print everywhere. मतलब मैं जिस भी वेबसाइट पे जा रही हूँ, I feel like snake print is so in. तो मुझे लगा that I should get this shirt for you. It's actually a very nice quality shirt as well. And this is all up for grabs in the giveaway. So guys, participate in the giveaway. The next thing that I got for myself was this t-shirt. Now it says, "Fight like a girl." How many times have I told you that I feel like I'm a boss lady and you should be a boss lady, and everybody's a boss lady, all girls are boss ladies. So I love women empowerment, anything that has to do with supporting other women or girls. I love it. I am completely in support of that. So I thought like this t-shirt is a perfect fit for my personality. That's why I got it. It's a pretty sturdy t-shirt. I thought ये थोड़ी सी off-white में आएगी, you know, a little wearable white, but this is like a bright white, bright white. Next thing that I got is the sassiest pair of shoes that I own. Do I need to explain anything about these shoes? Guys, look at these shoes. Look how cool these shoes are. Oh my god, when am I going to wear it? I don't know, but like I'll try and wear it soon. It fits me, which is great because every time I order online, मुझे ये डर लगता है यार shoes तो fit नहीं आएंगे, shoes fit नहीं आएंगे. अगर कोई अलग सी वेबसाइट है जिससे मैं पहली बार ऑर्डर कर रही हूँ तो मुझे तो ये डर लगता रहता है कि यार shoes fit नहीं आएंगे, because I have like gigantic feet, like my foot size is like 41. So every time I order from like Chinese website, मुझे लगता है यार उनके पैर तो छोटे छोटे होते हैं, तो should not say that, but पता नहीं मुझे fit आएंगे नहीं आएंगे. But these fit, which is awesome. I cannot wait to style these. The next thing that I got is something that I'm already wearing. This bright yellow color sweater has my heart. It's definitely like lightweighted. It's definitely good for layering. Good for this weather where it's, you know, it's like slightly too hot. but then it gets cold, then it gets hot again. तो ये जो transitional weather होता है ना, उसके लिए ये sweater perfect है. It's supposed to be like slightly off shoulder, like a boat cut neck. The last thing that I got was from this company called Bath Candy Company. Now this is owned by my friend. She's killing it in the game. I mean, I'm all very supportive of young adults starting their own businesses, and I feel कि बहुत difficult चीज़ होती है and सब लोगों की बस की बात नहीं होती है. So I'm very supportive of young adults, especially my friends. Anybody in my known circle who does that, I'm very, very supportive of it. So she started her range of like bath salts and shower gels, really cool and really good smelling products. So I'm going to be leaving her site and her page in the description box below, including every other page as well. So please do check it out. It would really mean a lot to me and a lot to all of these brands. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. अगर आपने किया तो जल्दी से hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Those are also the rules for the giveaway. Please end the giveaway as much as possible. So people who do share this video with other friends, send me screenshots, obviously get an advantage of being selected for this giveaway. I mean, you get a shirt, you get a makeup brush set, you also get a gift from PAPELJAM. It's a very cool giveaway. I will see you guys super soon. Thank you for all the support. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.